The dgtenk WiFi Telescope Eyepiece Camera turns standard eyepiece ports on telescopes or microscopes into a straightforward digital viewing and recording setup, making it easy to share what you see. Its 4-megapixel sensor can output detailed still images at very high effective resolution and 2K high-definition video, which is plenty for clear lunar, planetary, and bird-watching shots. Built-in Wi-Fi creates its own hotspot, so you can control the camera, preview live views, and save media directly from a phone or tablet without running cables. A rechargeable 1,500 milliampere-hour battery provides several hours of continuous observing, so you can run long sessions without worrying about external power. The included 32 gigabyte memory card gives you ample space for time-lapse sequences, interval captures, and long observing nights before you ever need to offload files. Setup is approachable even for beginners, with a simple clamp and rotation mounting system, plus an intuitive companion application that guides you from first connection to recording photos and videos.